Okay.
Kuya ba?
Yeah. Gatulog ra para dili.
Ay, wag na ako, ha?
Bayo si Kuya. Wow. Let's pay for pay.
Oh. Kuya! Buli ka.
How much?
Ito.
Si Mary.
Wala na taba. Pero,
How much is
kuya
inside?
man mo.
300.
Sige.
This one.
Ikaw, ako una. 3 spaces. Oh, 3. Si kuya na po.
Ako.
3. Hatag. You got it. Naka sa number 3.
Abe.
Here.
5. Bro just demolished us. 3. So 6.
6.
Return
1.
4.
4.
1. 6. 1.
1.
So 7.
6, 7.
Green.
1. Why every time it goes at 1?
Be, uy, my turn pa man. Isa.
6.
6?
Yeah.
Abe ako, abe.
Maro among ka na. Kika mo
1, 2,
kaslanted man ba?
11.
4, 5, 6,
You can climb.
Oh,
31.
5. 11.
You can climb.
I know.
2.
Samok. Kan under ka sa last.
2.
Oh.
The freak?
Bro almost already win.
2. 3. 13.
It
Oh.
almost tried to bite me, so...
Mada.
1.
Shut up, may bola.
8.
Kadula, boy.
Me! Me, it's me!
Ay, 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 ay!
It was me! Where was your place here? 13.
I know! Just...
3. 87.
Ay, ito to?
6, 6, 6.
Ginahin niyo.
6. 6 ah!
Ay.
13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 13. 13.
Kuya, you're gonna get demolished.
5.
Wait,
1,
1,
2. No! You're here.
1,
1,
2,
2, 3.
Ah, pasa na siya
Ako man mas apas sa imo.
But kung 2, kulang na lang kung 2 dahil mabot na pasan din.
Whoever goes to... Wait.
100 atagan og money.
Whoever goes to 6, 7 gets
What's that?
like a random thing.
6.
Like
1, 2, 3,
But-
4, 5, 6.
whoever gets to
Yeah.
6, 7, and if you get second, and then you
Sam-
kala.
Kala-kala na ko ti karon. 3. Uy! 2.
2. 46.
6,
2. 37.
Ah! Napasa
6,
na.
7.
Oh.
1, 2,
Doon
3,
na
4, 5.
1,
It just...
5, 6. Yeah! 6, 7! See, naabot ko sa 6.
6, 7 is not a special number, bro.
It's a 6, 7.
It's been 4
6, 7.
don't...
Ayo, balik kasi LC uyog. Eh, ito. Wala man. One.
Uy!
1 lagi.
5.
Ang laki ko ba? Grabe.
You can go up the snake.
I know. The snake can only...
Winner! Winner! 1. Winner.
Let's do it again.
That's right.
Dapat dito. Ayaw. Dine kayo. Guslan.
Sa di ay. Okay
Kisan?
naman.
Dito tao sa salong.
Hoy, guys!
First winner of the round 1 is Zeddy. Kuya Sid. Yeah, again.
Yeah, Mama. I got a cute mama.
Kuya, oh. Wala pa ta. Okay. Part 2. I'm not gonna record that.